Good morning, dear children. Today we will learn about the nests of bird. Children, nest is a bird's home, and birds make their nest on trees, bushes, on ground or roof of houses. Children, they make their nest to lay eggs and protect themselves and their eggs from bad weather condition and enemies. They use cotton, twigs, dry sticks, grasses, leaves and mud to make their nest. Now let us know about the different types of nest. First one is nest of a sparrow or a pigeon. Children, a sparrow or pigeon make their nest in houses, buildings or branches of tree. Okay, here this is a nest of a sparrow, and you can see they have used dry grasses, straw, sticks, cotton, feathers to make their nest, and the shape of the nest is bowl shaped. Okay children, you drink a soup in a bowl, the same shape these nests have. Okay, now let us know about nest of tailor bird. Children, you all know the role of a tailor. Tailor stitches our cloth. Similarly, the tailor bird uses its sharp beak to stitch the large leaves together with a plant fiber. Here you can see the nest of a tailor bird. This tailor bird uses its beak to join these two leaves, and here you can see the stitches. Okay, children, they sew the leaves perfectly, so they are known as tailor bird. Okay, now next is nest of a weaver bird. Children, you all must have seen the hanging nests of weaver bird. Children, these nests are hanging on the branches of trees and weaved by dry grasses and have an opening at the bottom of the nest from where the bird enter in her nest. Okay, now next one is nest of an eagle or vulture. Children, vulture and eagle make their nest on the uppermost branch of a tree. Here you can see the nest of a eagle or vulture. They use dry sticks to make their nest, and their nest look very untidy. Okay, it is almost bowl shaped but looks untidy. Okay, now next one is nest of a woodpecker. Children, woodpecker make its nest in a tree trunk. Here you can see this picture. The woodpecker pecks a hole in the tree trunk to make its nest, and fine chips of wood are used to line the nest so the nest become comfortable for the eggs. Okay. Now next one is nest of a plover bird. Children, the plover bird make its nest on the ground. They dig shallow holes in the ground and put grasses and leaves inside the nest to make it cozy. And children, the shell color of the eggs are like the color of stones and rocks. Okay. Now next one is the nest of a penguin. Children, penguin make its nest on the ground. Here you can see the nest of a penguin. Okay, they uses pebbles and stones to make their nest. Okay, children, now let us see how the parents bird take care of their babies. Children, parents birds take care of their babies. Mother birds sit on the eggs to give warmth. The baby bird grows inside. Here you can see the picture. Grow inside the egg, and when it is big enough, it breaks the shell and comes out. Here you can see the shells are broken down and the baby comes out. This is called as hatching. Children, baby birds are very weak. The mother bird brings food in its mouth and feed the young babies. Here you can see in the picture. The mother bird brings and feed their baby, and when the babies grow bigger and stronger, the parents bird teach their young ones to fly and find food for themselves. And once the babies are grown up, the bird family no longer needs the nest and flies away. Okay, children, this was about the nest of a bird. Hope you all have understood this lesson. So read this chapter once again, learn the spellings and understand the topic. Thank you and have a good day.